Welcome to our presentation on effective weight loss strategies. In this video, we'll share tips and tricks to help you shed those extra pounds and achieve your health goals. Let's dive in.
Weight loss is a journey that involves both a balanced diet and regular exercise. Setting realistic goals and timelines is key to achieving long-term success. Remember, it's a gradual process, so patience and persistence are essential. A balanced diet is crucial for weight loss. Focus on consuming nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Practice portion control and avoid processed and high-calorie foods to make a significant impact on your weight loss journey. Regular exercise is a vital component of weight loss. Incorporate different types of exercises, such as cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises, to keep things interesting and effective. Consistency is key, so find a workout routine that you enjoy and stick with it. Staying hydrated is essential for weight loss. Drinking water can help control hunger, boost metabolism, and improve overall health. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day and replace sugary drinks with water for better results. Good sleep and stress management play a significant role in weight loss. Lack of sleep can negatively impact your metabolism and increase cravings for unhealthy foods. Practice stress management techniques like meditation, deep breathing exercises, and engaging in hobbies to maintain a balanced lifestyle. Tracking your progress is important in the weight loss journey. Keep a food diary to monitor your eating habits and use fitness apps to track your workouts and progress. These tools can provide valuable insights and help you stay on track. A support system can make a significant difference in achieving your weight loss goals. Having friends, family, or a community to share your journey with can provide motivation, accountability, and encouragement. Consider joining weight loss communities or groups for added support. Avoid common mistakes when trying to lose weight, such as skipping meals, over-restricting calories, and relying on fad diets. These approaches can be counterproductive and unsustainable in the long run. Instead, focus on balanced, healthy habits that you can maintain. In conclusion, we've discussed effective weight loss strategies, including a balanced diet, regular exercise, hydration, sleep, stress management, and the importance of a support system. Stay committed to your journey and celebrate small victories along the way. Remember, achieving and maintaining a healthy weight is a lifelong commitment. You've got this.